Hello students, so today we are going to discuss on the chapter dual nature of matter, the frequently asked board questions on this chapter. So these are some of the most frequently asked board questions. So and in every board exams you'll get these types of questions. You'll get questions on these topics. The first topic is stopping potential. You'll get questions sometimes on stopping potential, its definition, and under this topic you'll get the question on potential versus intensity. So they will ask you to draw the graph between potential versus intensity. You will have to मतलब आप लोगों को ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा पोटेंशियल और इंटेंसिटी के बीच में जो ग्राफ रहता है वो ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. So the next topic is threshold frequency. So what is threshold frequency and its graph? So this topics mainly comes for maybe 2 to 3 marks. So the third topic, which is Einstein's equation, you have to write the definition along with the equation. So the next fourth topic is de Broglie's equation, wavelength. What is de Broglie's wavelength? So it's equation along with some problems. You'll have to see some problems on your NCERT books and on your you can refer to some of your reference books if you have, or otherwise you can see your NCERT books for the de Broglie's equations, some of the problems for de Broglie's equations. So the fifth topic, which is intensity of radiation, you'll have to study what is intensity of radiation. So this mainly comes for 2-3 marks, maybe 2 marks. So de Broglie's wavelength, it comes for 3 marks, 3 to 4 marks. So the sixth topic, which is the last topic, the sixth topic, which is the last topic, is wavelength versus potential graph. So this is from de Broglie's equation. You have to write you'll have to draw the diagram for wavelength versus potential. So this comes under de Broglie's equation. So before drawing the graph between wavelength and potential, you will have to know what is de Broglie's equation and you'll have to know its definition. So after that only you can draw the graph between wavelength and potential. So these are some of the important topics from this chapter, dual nature of matter, and these are most frequently asked board questions. So in every board questions, if you see previous board questions, you'll have these questions. So in maybe in next year you can have either this question, you can have either questions from this topic or maybe this topic, but this you'll have to study these topics. You cannot miss these topics. So thank you.